The information shared in this video is purely for educational purposes and should never replace professional medical advice. Natural remedies and holistic practices can complement traditional healthcare but aren't guaranteed cures or treatments. Use this information responsibly and make informed decisions about your well-being. Picture this. You wake up every morning, step on the scale, and see the same number staring back at you. Maybe it's even gone up a pound or two. You've been eating salads, hitting the gym, cutting calories, doing everything the internet told you to do. Yet here you are, months later, feeling like you're running on a hamster wheel going absolutely nowhere. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Millions of people are stuck in this exact same frustrating cycle. And here's the thing that might surprise you. It's not your fault. The problem isn't your willpower or your genetics or some mysterious metabolic curse. The real problem is that you're making 5 critical mistakes that are sabotaging your progress without you even knowing it. Today, I'm going to reveal exactly what these mistakes are and give you the simple fixes that will finally get that scale moving in the right direction. By the end of this video, you'll understand why your current approach isn't working and have a clear roadmap to start seeing real results. If you're ready to break free from the frustration and kickstart your weight loss journey today, check out the link in the description right after this video. Trust me, everything you need to transform your body is waiting for you there. But first, let's dive into these game-changing mistakes. Mistake number 1 is probably going to shock you because it goes against everything you've been told about weight loss. You're eating too little. I know. Every diet guru on the planet has hammered into your head that weight loss is all about eating less and less. But here's what actually happens when you drastically cut calories. Your metabolism slows down to match your reduced intake. Your body thinks it's in survival mode and starts hoarding every calorie you give it. Your hormones get completely out of whack. Leptin, the hormone that tells your brain you're full, drops dramatically. Ghrelin, the hunger hormone, skyrockets. You become a walking appetite monster, and willpower alone can't fight biology. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Join our vibrant community and dive into a world of health and vitality. Your next favorite video is just a click away. Let's explore it together. Please make sure to listen until the end. We saved the best part of this video for last, so that you won't forget any of the most important details that we shared with you. Now, let's dive in. Sarah, one of my clients, was eating just 1,200 calories a day and couldn't understand why she wasn't losing weight. She was exhausted, cranky, and obsessing over food constantly. When we increased her calories to 1,600 and focused on the right macronutrients, she lost 8 pounds in the first month. Her energy came back, her mood improved, and food stopped controlling her thoughts. The fix here is simple but requires trust in the process. Calculate your true metabolic needs using a reliable calculator or work with a professional. Most women need between 1,400 to 1,800 calories to lose weight sustainably. Most men need 1,800 to 2,400. Start there and adjust based on your results and energy levels. Remember, your body needs fuel to burn fat efficiently. Mistake number 2 is overdoing cardio while completely neglecting what actually transforms your physique. Walk into any gym, and you'll see the same people on the treadmills and ellipticals day after day, month after month, looking exactly the same. Cardio has its place, absolutely, but it's not the fat-burning miracle you think it is. Here's the truth about excessive cardio. It burns calories during the workout, and then stops. Your metabolism returns to baseline within hours. Your body adapts quickly, becoming more efficient at the movement, which means you burn fewer calories doing the same workout over time. Long cardio sessions can actually break down muscle tissue, which is the last thing you want when trying to lose weight. Muscle is your metabolic powerhouse. Mike used to spend 2 hours every morning on the stationary bike. He was frustrated because he'd lost some weight initially, but then hit a wall for months. When he cut his cardio to 3 30-minute sessions per week and added strength training, the changes were dramatic. He lost more fat in 8 weeks than he had in the previous 6 months. The fix is finding the sweet spot. Limit steady-state cardio to 3 to 4 sessions per week, maximum 30 to 45 minutes each. Add 1 to 2 high-intensity interval training sessions if you enjoy them. Focus the majority of your gym time on strength training, which brings us perfectly to mistake number 3. Mistake number 3 is skipping strength training entirely or treating it like an afterthought. This might be the biggest mistake on this entire list because strength training is absolutely crucial for sustainable weight loss. When you lift weights, you're not just burning calories during the workout. You're building lean muscle tissue that burns calories 24 hours a day, even while you sleep. Strength training creates what's called excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, meaning your metabolism stays elevated for hours after your workout. It improves insulin sensitivity, helping your body handle carbohydrates more effectively. It maintains your muscle mass while losing fat, ensuring you get that toned, defined look, instead of just becoming a smaller version of your current self. Jennifer was terrified of the weight room. She thought lifting would make her bulky and masculine. After months of convincing, she finally started a basic strength program twice per week. Within 12 weeks, she'd lost 15 pounds and 2 dress sizes. But more importantly, she felt strong and confident for the first time in years. Her posture improved, her back pain disappeared, and she actually looked forward to her workouts. If you're ready to fix these issues and see results faster, check the link in the description to jumpstart your transformation. Everything you need to build an effective strength training routine is right there waiting for you. The fix for mistake 3 is starting simple and building consistency. Begin with 2 to 3 strength training sessions per week. Focus on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, push-ups, and rows that work multiple muscle groups. Don't worry about fancy equipment or complicated routines. Bodyweight exercises, resistance bands, or basic dumbbells are perfect for beginners. Progressive overload is key, meaning you gradually increase weight, reps, or difficulty over time. Your muscles need to be challenged to grow and adapt. Mistake number 4 is completely ignoring your sleep and stress levels while expecting your body to cooperate with your weight loss goals. This is like trying to drive a car with flat tires and wondering why you're not getting anywhere. Poor sleep and chronic stress create a perfect storm of hormonal chaos that makes fat loss nearly impossible. When you don't get adequate sleep, your cortisol levels spike. Cortisol is your stress hormone, and elevated levels promote fat storage, especially around your midsection. Lack of sleep disrupts leptin and ghrelin, the hormones that control hunger and satiety. You'll find yourself craving high-calorie, sugary foods because your brain is desperately seeking quick energy. Chronic stress from work, relationships, or life circumstances has the same effect. Your body interprets stress as danger and holds onto fat as protection. David was doing everything right with his diet and exercise, but working 80-hour weeks and sleeping 4 to 5 hours per night. Despite perfect nutrition and consistent workouts, the scale wouldn't budge. When he prioritized 7 to 8 hours of sleep and implemented stress management techniques, he lost 12 pounds in 6 weeks without changing anything else. The fix requires treating sleep and stress management as seriously as your diet and exercise. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Create a bedtime routine that signals your body it's time to wind down. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Put your phone away at least an hour before bed. For stress management, find what works for you. Meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, journaling, or even just taking regular walks in nature can make a massive difference. The goal isn't to eliminate stress completely, but to give your body tools to recover from it. Mistake number 5 is the one that keeps you trapped in an endless cycle of starting over. You're treating weight loss like a sprint instead of a marathon. You go all in for 2 weeks, maybe a month if you're really motivated, and then life happens. You have a bad day, eat something you weren't supposed to, and suddenly you're convinced you've ruined everything. So you quit and start over again next Monday. This all-or-nothing mentality is killing your progress. Sustainable weight loss isn't about perfection. It's about consistency over time. Small, consistent actions compound into massive results, but you have to give them time to work. Lisa had started and stopped more diets than she could count. Every time she had a slip-up, she'd throw in the towel completely. When she finally learned to treat setbacks as normal parts of the process rather than failures, everything changed. She stopped labeling foods as good or bad. She stopped beating herself up over small mistakes. Instead, she focused on making the next meal a good choice. This mindset shift allowed her to lose 35 pounds over 8 months and keep it off for over 2 years now. The fix is building flexibility into your approach from day one. Plan for imperfection. Expect there will be days when you eat more than planned or skip workouts. That doesn't mean you failed. It means you're human. The key is getting back on track with the very next meal or the very next workout. Don't wait for Monday. Don't wait for next month. Start again immediately. Focus on progress, not perfection. Celebrate small wins like choosing a salad over fries or taking the stairs instead of the elevator. These seemingly insignificant choices add up to create massive transformations over time. There you have it. 5 critical mistakes that have been sabotaging your weight loss efforts, and the simple fixes that will get you back on track. Let's quickly recap. Stop starving yourself and eat enough to fuel your metabolism properly. Balance your cardio with strength training instead of living on the treadmill. Make strength training a priority to build the muscle that burns fat around the clock. Prioritize sleep and stress management as much as diet and exercise. Adopt a marathon mindset focused on consistency over perfection. These aren't radical changes that require you to overhaul your entire life overnight. They're small, sustainable shifts that create lasting results. The beautiful thing about fixing these mistakes is that you'll start seeing changes within weeks, not months. Your energy will improve, your cravings will decrease, and yes, that scale will finally start moving in the right direction. If you're ready to put these strategies into action and kickstart your weight loss journey today, click the link in the description. Everything you need to transform your body is waiting for you there. Don't let another day pass feeling frustrated with your progress. You have the power to change your story starting right now. And if this video helped you understand what's been holding you back, hit that subscribe button for more science-backed health and wellness content that actually works. Your future self will thank you for taking action today. Thank you for watching,